Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the timeless wisdom of the 48 Laws of Power and uncover the strategies to empower ourselves and achieve greatness. In today's episode, we dive into the fascinating realm of the 12th Law of Power. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your targets. Get ready to discover the art of strategic honesty and generosity to disarm others and gain an advantage. Imagine finding yourself in a situation where tensions are high and conflicts seem inevitable. It could be a challenging negotiation, a delicate conversation with a colleague, or even a personal disagreement. The 12th Law of Power teaches us that through selective honesty and generosity, we can effectively disarm our targets, diffuse tension, and create a more favorable outcome. Let's consider a practical example to illustrate the power of this law. Suppose you're negotiating a business deal with a potential client and they have reservations about certain aspects. Instead of concealing information or being evasive, you choose to be selectively honest. By acknowledging their concerns and openly addressing them, you disarm any suspicion and build trust. This act of honesty disarms your target and paves the way for a more productive and successful negotiation. Now, you may wonder how you can apply this law in your own life. It starts with understanding the power of transparency and authenticity. By being selectively honest, you choose to reveal information that disarms others while maintaining strategic control. This approach builds trust and establishes a foundation for productive communication and collaboration. Additionally, generosity plays a crucial role in disarming others. When you exhibit acts of kindness and generosity towards your targets, it creates a sense of reciprocity and fosters goodwill. This generosity can be in the form of offering assistance, providing valuable insights, or simply showing empathy towards their concerns. By disarming others through acts of generosity, you cultivate a more harmonious and cooperative environment. However, it's important to remember that the power of selective honesty and generosity lies in its strategic application. It's not about being naive or giving away everything, but rather using these tactics consciously and with intent. By analyzing the situation, understanding the needs and concerns of others, and strategically applying honesty and generosity, you can disarm your targets and gain an advantage. By embracing the 12th Law of Power, you unlock a powerful tool that can transform conflicts into opportunities and create more harmonious relationships. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, the art of selective honesty and generosity can help you navigate challenging situations with grace and achieve favorable outcomes. So, take a moment to reflect on your own interactions and relationships. How can you strategically use selective honesty and generosity to disarm others and create more favorable outcomes? Remember, true power lies in understanding and utilizing these tactics with thoughtfulness and intention. That wraps up today's video on the 12th Law of Power. We hope you gained valuable insights and inspiration to apply this law in your own life. Stay tuned for more empowering episodes where we unravel the secrets to mastering the 48 Laws of Power. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Until next time, embrace the power of selective honesty and generosity to disarm and conquer.